The following video is a demonstration of removal and dissection of the pig brain. It may be helpful to refer to an atlas or fiber dissection guide before or during the procedure. A large butcher knife is best for decapitation as it will allow for one clean cut between the atlas and axis. Ensure the knife is sharp before starting with a new subject. A meat hook is used to remove the skull. A long slender tool such as a scalpel handle is used to remove the brain from the skull. A vise with screws or protrusions is necessary to secure the head while cutting the skull. Once the animal has been humanely euthanized according to established protocols, proceed as follows. Cut just above the nape of the neck, between the shoulders and the top of the head. Secure the pig and move the ears out of the way during decapitation. Use a scalpel to make incisions to separate the skin from the skull. Make an initial cut on the middle of the skull that continues to the posterior of the head. The second, transverse cut, should be on the posterior of the head. The third cut, also transverse, will start at the posterior of the snout and in line with the eyes to ensure easy access to the skull. Use a bone saw to make two anterior to posterior cuts, lateral to the midline. Start by lightly marking the area for the cut with the saw, and then begin sawing until you meet less resistance from the skull. Slightly bevel the saw toward the midline while cutting, as this will ensure that you are cutting the thinnest part of the skull. If the cut is too close to the ear, it will be difficult to remove the skull, but if the cut is too close to the midline, the opening will be too small to remove the brain.